Hello everyone, Hum Blunt channel. Today I'm sitting in front of my homemade anvil that I made and what I use for my forge, an old 7-gallon propane can. Just use regular pallet wood to burn it. So I have today a series of different knives that I have made, because it's been a minute since I made a video. We'll start with this one here. This one is made from a sprocket, the same sprocket that I've been making my other knives out of. The sheath is new. Chain handle, blade, it's about 13 inches long, super sharp, with the sheath that I just made the other day. Just went and bought some leather, slapped it together, custom fit. Yeah, this one right here is my personal one that I'm keeping. It is razor sharp. It cuts through all kinds of stuff. Super cool with the knuckle guard. The next one, similar style, made from the same sprocket. This one I made for my wife. It's her brush whacker. Again, with the custom sheath made for it. Had to do a little funny design because of the curve of the blade. In order to get it fit, you got to put it in an angle and kind of slip it up in there. Relatively lightweight, also really sharp. A little bit smaller of a handle because, well, she's a girl and got smaller hands. But works very, very well. Extremely cool. The next two here I made from this, right? Actually forging it out from this shaft. The first one I made here is a sashimi style, without a guard on it. Without a guard. Very, very good slicer. The handle I made a little bit thicker toward the front, you know, a bolster to keep your hand from sliding forward. But that's my little fox logo. Very sharp, very cool, extremely good knife. The next one, also made from that same chunk of shaft. I made this for my wife also. She wanted her holster to be able to tie around her leg. So I just put some leather straps around it, bootlaces actually. This one is more of a Viking sack style. Her name's Reichel, so rad. Turned out really, really nice. Pretty thick, but also not too thick. Relatively lightweight. Handle's a little bit fatter on the back, a little bit fatter in the front. Keep your hand from slipping around on it. So the handle's a little bit small for my hand because I got big hands. But she's a girl and her hands aren't nearly as big. Super proud of this one. Actually, it's one of the most favorite ones that I've made, actually, that I really enjoy. The next one I have to show you right here is, I'm keeping for myself, made from the other half of this planer blade. Super hard metal. Was pretty difficult to forge it out, but it turned out pretty sweet. It's like a short Bowie knife. I used the chain for the guard. Handles, nice for my size. Also very sharp, very hard metal. Pretty darn cool. Heavy. Like I said, I'm keeping this one for myself. And it's just pretty dope. So, also with the custom sheath. Just a quick shot of them all again. Some of my most recent knives. Thanks for joining Hum Blunt.